All right, so we've wrapped up day one at the Mark Twain Show, Quincy, Illinois. Town and Country Inn and Suites. If you're in the area Saturday the 24th or Sunday the 25th, come check us out. I'm just going to show you a little bit what we got. We had an excellent Friday, by the way. I don't know why. Oh, I do know why that's there. Yeah, we had an awesome Friday. Very good crowd. I was surprised. I mean, there's always a good crowd through this show, but it seemed extra busy tonight. So that's great. You can see some of Taylor Foster's Empty Pocket Rebuild stuff here. Got new in the box. And of course, all sorts of customs. I'll just run you down the list here. And of course, we'll be at Lafayette next weekend. Lafayette, Indiana, the big one. So a lot of this will at least have similar stuff. Hopefully a lot of this is sold and gone by then, but we'll have similar items for sure. Because of course I'm always building. And kind of our more new in the box, and then some junk drawers and some, take off tires. And then our full line of parts and display items and all that sort of thing. This is almost always our kind of best sellers now. It shows. It's kind of awesome how you guys have really helped out and supported, and getting the display thing bigger and stronger than ever as far as I can tell. So it's kind of awesome. And we're going to keep adding new stuff all the time. Of course, got a list a mile long of things I want to do. And then over here are our new line of 1/16 implements. And you can see we got a Landau weatherproof 3-shanker. Got a bigger sizes coming. Got a Wilrich disc chisel, and then a couple inline rippers, and including this one, although I've got to make some stands or something for this. He does fold and unfold and all of that. And then a custom 4000 precision that I did up. The implements I can't take a whole lot of credit for. I did the design work on them, but my dad is actually putting those together and doing a fantastic job of doing that. So always appreciate the help, and of course it's awesome when you get to do stuff with your dad in the farm toy world. Anyway, that's just a little look at our room here at Quincy. The hotel rooms here are awesome. They're huge and spacious, and you don't feel crowded and all that. So like I said, if you're out and about on February 24th or 25th in the Quincy, Illinois area, come to one of the best farm toy shows around. All right, guys. Have yourselves an awesome day. And happy tractor hunting.